Family, let's talk about Julius Mkhwanazi and payments from Vusiket Matala. It's day 2 of the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. When it comes to money, Julius Mkhwanazi is a very particular character. He's evasive, he denies, he over-explains, and gives the kind of answers that leave you wondering what's really going on. During day 2 of the Madlanga Commission, Mkhwanazi was asked a simple question. Did he ever receive money from Mr. Vusiket Matala or his companies? Initially, he said yes, but only small amounts like 500 rands for petrol when he was suspended or 200 rands for food for his kids. He insisted, I don't want to lie, and kept over-explaining, talking about hardships, funerals, and personal struggles. But the record tells a bigger story. Payments to Mkhwanazi from entities linked to Vusiket Matala include 20,000 rands on the 5th of May 2022 from CAT Protection and Security Services Pty Ltd. Another 20,000 rands on the 18th of June 2022 from Medicare 24 Tshwane District Pty Ltd. There was another one, 30,000 rands on the 10th of December 2022 from Black AK Trading and Suppliers Pty Ltd. When questioned about these amounts, Mkhwanazi tried to justify them as personal assistance, saying they were to cover funerals and daily expenses. He even referenced losing 3 siblings during that period, potentially to explain or cover for these larger sums. The commissioners noted his tendency to over-explain, repeating himself and trying to contextualize every payment. Some payments, particularly around the time of the letter of intention to commit, dated 15 June 2022, raised questions that could have been gratification for his role in facilitating vehicle registrations, including enabling vehicles to be fitted with blue light. He also clarified that none of this money came from Mr. Van Wyk. Support came solely from Vusiket Matala. In short, Mkhwanazi's testimony paints a picture of a man trying to balance honesty with evasion, admitting small amounts while trying to explain away the larger ones. His pattern of denial, over-explaining, and personal storytelling shows a personality struggling under scrutiny, yet inadvertently revealing the financial links that were the heart of the investigation. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.